Okay. It looks like this is consistent throughout all the classes. So this is including seventh and eighth grade. So I'm signed in as a student, so it's probably still not going to be exactly what you see, but close to it. So you can pick any, whatever your class is, go into your class period, go up to the classwork tab, go down to the lesson that you're working on. Say you want to turn in, you're going to work on area of a circle homework. Open that PDF up. It should say open with Kami up here. Click this button. Say no thanks when this little box pops up. Say no thanks. You can put a text box in here and type that kind of thing. Type your answer in there. You can draw your answer, all kinds of annotating. Okay, so you could write. So when you get done, then you go up here to where it says save, turn in. Make sure that all of your changes are saved. And here it says one unsaved change. So I want to click save now. And I'm going to wait until I get a check mark there. And it says all changes saved. So now that I have my check mark, then I can go up here and I can click turn in, and it's going to turn in my assignment for me. Then because you're not looking in the right spots while you're not finding my classes. Okay. If for some reason that doesn't open up and you go to your lesson and it just gives you the blank screen and it just says open up here, click on open and see if it will open for you. If not, then you can go to these three dots, click open in new window. And then you can either just print it or download it to your computer here and do what you need to with it and then submit that file, save that file to your computer. Or we can go to annotate with Kami. You click the open with button up at the top. Still doesn't work. Yeah, it does. Okay, and then as long as you're signed into your account, you should still get the turn in. Do your, annotations and work. Click the turn in, make sure it says all changes saved, and then hit turn in again, okay? So this will hopefully make it a little more universal. If you have any other issues, please tell me, let me know. If you guys don't communicate with me, I don't know that something's wrong or not working on your end. So go ahead and say something, even if you think it's like I just haven't made an assignment or you think I made a mistake or something like that. It's okay to let me know. Okay, guys. I hope this works for you. If not, again, let me know. Thanks.